Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So we're going to be making this sound to light level, well not level meter, just sound to light meter. So I've got a 4.7k resistor which goes here, that's R1. I'm just trying to do a quick kit. I've done one of these before, I'm sure, to test out the new camera. Need to sort my light out, my lamp lens out. So the next one is go ahead and test that. Little component test that. Is a 9759, basically a 10k. That wants to go R3 over here at 10k. We've got, what's the other one? So we've only got one resistor left, so there's not a lot of point in testing it, because we have a 1M that goes here, which is R2. So that's our 3 resistors on board. Okay, so we've got a few caps knocking around here. So this one is a 1 UF 50 volt, 1 UF over here, so long leg positive, short leg negative. Short leg also has the white stripy side of the circle. Which means this can only be the other one, a 47 UF, 47 to 16 volts. So again, plus or minus. So both resistors are 9014s. Again, just remember to match the shape of the resistor to the shape of the silk screen. Next we'll pop on the microphone and the power adapter. The microphone can only go in one way to sit in the board because the pins are close to this edge. However, the minus pin always has 3 little connections going off to the metal casing, a bit like a crow's foot for future reference. So that's those 2 done, caps, transistors, resistors. So really all we've got left now are these LEDs, so I'll just pop those in. Again, remembering the short leg goes to the little line on the board. Oh, I can't get the zoom in that far. You can see the arrow goes to like a flat point. That flat point is the negative, or the cathode, I think it is. Yep. So the positive being the anode. Okay, so we've connected this up to a 3 volt battery pack. Bang, bang, simple noise at the correct level, and it will just flash the noise. So if you've got a really loud noise near it, it's going to activate every time. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. So that's it. Simple little kit, really. Bit of fun. Chuck it on the shelf with all the others. Forget about that one. You could put this outside with a little microphone on an extension cable or something and have it as like a noise alert if something's coming towards you or something silly. But yeah, that's it really. All done and dusted. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one, which will probably be a Christmas tree.